without further ado, I would like to tell that Mr. Wayne Robert Ellison and Mrs. Tiziana Teresa Simonelli, who have two beautiful daughters, they noticed 2 years back, rather the mother noticed, that the shoulder of the elder daughter was not in level, the right was not in level with the left. This led them to consult a local specialist who diagnosed the child had adolescent idiopathic scoliosis. The initial treatment in the form of bracing was tried for a few months, but this was not successful. And the surgeons advised surgical correction. The parents were advised that the child would have to undergo correction of the deformity where rods would be inserted on the entire spine and that part of the spine would be fused. The parents were very anxious after listening to this advice, and they were very clear in their mind that they did not want their daughter to undergo the standard fusion surgery. This led them to go on a worldwide search. They contacted a few specialists. There are very few specialists who do non-fusion surgery. And after they spoke to a number of surgeons across the world, they decided to come to Apollo Hospital, Chennai, where we are the only center in this part of the world to offer corrective surgery. I would just like to quickly show a few slides about what this is all about.
The trust in us and coming all the way from Australia. It's not easy to decide to come to a center like this and do what they have to do. And, I hope that whatever their expectations are, that the team actually delivered on that promise. So thank you for the trust you've put in us. I must congratulate Dr. Hegde, Dr. Kosigan and the rest of the team, because they're constantly upgrading what they're doing in the space of technology. And whatever is there, the latest and the best, especially in this area of spinal technology, I think we've been investing in it, and we're one of the centers which really are acknowledged globally for this kind of work, especially in the spinal and in the robotic work. So I think the outcomes have been phenomenal. The kind of work which has been going on has been excellent. And truly, the state of Tamil Nadu can be proud that such work is going on in this state. We also, when we started, spoke a lot of medical value travel, medical tourism, so on and so forth. And I think that just by doing what you're doing and doing it really well, people from out of India, overseas, they look at India as an option, because I think the outcomes are important, the trust and investment in technology. All this has happened, and it's happened really well. And I'd like to congratulate the team for doing that and promise everyone that from an Apollo point of view, we will stop at nothing to see that high standards of clinical medicine are delivered every day for the people and for the patients.
We were left with a feeling of total confidence that he would look after our daughter. This was incredibly comforting for us as parents. It's daunting to travel overseas for a surgery that your local hospital in Australia could not provide for her. And we are very, very happy with the outcome. She had a beautiful correction. I know she will be able to play her sports, which is very important to her.
But yeah, I guess I'd like to say that thanks for giving us this opportunity to tell a few words about us, our story, and for all of you actually turning up to listen to it. Yes, so I guess we thought this was important to talk to the media, so other families in Australia and other Western nations can get some sort of hope that there are, if they're in the situation where the child has scoliosis, severe scoliosis, there's actually hope. There are people out there who can give you a solution that's actually feasible. So thank you, Dr. Hagiv and his team for pioneering this solution to scoliosis. I guess, yeah, thank you.